Ever stared at your bank statement and wondered, where did all this money go? And then, after a deep dive, you discover a subscription you haven't used in months, maybe even years? A service you signed up for on a whim, or perhaps during a free trial that sneakily converted into a paid membership? If you've ever felt the sting of those forgotten subscriptions, especially when it comes to services like Rocket Money, you're not alone. We live in a subscription-driven world. Everything from streaming services to meal kits, fitness apps to productivity tools seems to require a monthly fee. And while some subscriptions are undoubtedly valuable, others become silent money drains, draining your wallet without providing any real benefit. That's where Rocket Money comes in, or at least, that's what it's supposed to do. But what happens when you decide Rocket Money itself isn't working for you? Or, worse, what if you've been charged incorrectly, or you simply want to cancel and get your money back? Today, we're diving deep into the often murky waters of getting a refund from Rocket Money. We'll explore the various scenarios where you might be entitled to a refund, the steps you need to take, and some tips and tricks to make the process as smooth as possible. Because let's face it, nobody likes losing money, especially on something they're not using. First, let's understand why you might want a refund in the first place. Rocket Money, formerly Truebill, aims to help you manage your subscriptions, negotiate bills, and save money. But sometimes, things don't go as planned. Maybe you signed up for a premium feature and found it didn't meet your expectations. Perhaps you encountered technical issues that prevented you from using the service effectively. Or maybe you simply changed your mind and decided Rocket Money wasn't the right fit for your financial needs. The most common refund scenarios revolve around these key areas. Accidental charges. Did you get charged for a feature you didn't intend to subscribe to? Or were you billed after canceling your subscription? These are clear cases where you should seek a refund. Service issues. If Rocket Money failed to perform as advertised, such as consistently missing subscriptions or failing to negotiate bills, you might have grounds for a refund. Unsatisfactory experience. You might decide the service isn't worth the cost, even if it technically works. In some cases, Rocket Money might offer a refund, especially if you cancel within a short period of time. Billing errors, incorrect billing amounts, duplicate charges, or charges to the wrong payment method are all valid reasons to request a refund. Now, how do you actually go about getting your money back? The first step is to gather your information. You'll need the date and amount of the charge you're disputing, a clear explanation of why you're requesting a refund, any supporting documentation, such as screenshots of billing errors or communication with customer support. Once you have your information ready, it's time to contact Rocket Money's customer support. Here's how you can typically do that. Through the Rocket Money app, this is often the most convenient method. Look for the help or support section within the app. You can typically find a contact form or a chat option. Email. Rocket Money often provides an email address for customer support inquiries. Find it on their website or within the app. Website. Rocket Money's website should have a support section with FAQs and contact information. When contacting customer support, it's crucial to be clear and concise. Explain the situation in detail, providing all the necessary information and supporting documentation. Be polite but firm in your request for a refund. Here are some tips to improve your chances of getting a refund. Act quickly. The sooner you contact customer support after noticing an issue, the better. Don't wait weeks or months to request a refund. Be detailed. Provide as much information as possible about the charge you're disputing. Include dates, amounts, and a clear explanation of why you believe you're entitled to a refund. Keep records. Save all communication with customer support, including emails, chat logs, and screenshots. This documentation can be invaluable if you need to escalate your request. Review Rocket Money's terms of service. Understanding their refund policy can help you determine if you have a valid claim. Escalate if necessary. If your initial request is denied, don't give up. You can escalate your request to a higher level of customer support or consider filing a complaint with the Better Business Bureau. Check your bank statements. Keep a close eye on your bank statements to catch any unauthorized or incorrect charges. Cancel correctly. If you're canceling the service, make sure you receive confirmation of the cancellation. Do not assume you've canceled because you uninstalled the app. Go through the steps in the app or website to cancel. Let's talk about specific situations. If you signed up for a trial period and were charged after the trial ended and you did not intend to continue the service, this is a very common reason for refunds. Many companies, including Rocket Money, have a policy regarding this. Read those policies carefully. Contacting customer support within a few days of the charge is essential. If you have a problem with a bill negotiation and were charged a percentage of the savings, but you see no savings, or if the savings were incorrect, you have a valid claim. Make sure to have the before and after bill statements. In some cases, Rocket Money may offer a partial refund or a credit towards future services. If you're not satisfied with the initial response, don't hesitate to negotiate. Explain why you believe you deserve a full refund and be prepared to provide additional evidence. It's also worth noting that Rocket Money's refund policy may vary depending on the specific service you're using and your location. So, it's always best to check their current terms of service for the most up-to-date information. In the end, it's about advocating for yourself and ensuring you're not paying for services you're not using or that aren't meeting your expectations. Financial responsibility is critical, and that includes holding companies accountable for their services. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.